Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to study algebraic identities. Yes, very important module. Am I right? So under algebraic identities, basically there are total 8 different identities. But out of that, we are going to cover 3 important identities related to this. So which are they? So let's begin with the first identity. The first identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Am I right? A plus b, you need to remember, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, second important identity is a minus b whole square is given by a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third identity is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b in first bracket, and in second bracket it is a minus b. Now in today's video, in today's lecture, we are going to perform the derivation for that, or you can say that the proof. Okay, so if I ask you how you are going to find out square of any term, what you need to do? If I ask you, you need to find out square of 25. So simply you will write 25 into 25, which is equal to 625. Am I right? So to understand this formula, let's consider the first identity. Okay, first identity. I'll show you the proof. That is a plus b square. As I said, to take the square of any term, we need to multiply same number 2 times. Am I right? So here a plus b whole square can be written as a plus b into a plus b. What would be the next step that we need to follow? Simply we need to perform multiplication between two terms or two brackets. So how we are going to multiply this? Simply you need to consider the first term from first bracket into the second bracket. Okay, a plus b. Then what is remaining? What is left out? That you need to consider plus b into second bracket. Am I right? So as you know that this sign over here, which sign is there? Multiplication. So a into a, it will become a square, a into b, but which sign is there in between? So plus into plus will be plus, a into b is ab. If you don't know the basic concept how to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, so kindly watch my previous video, you will come to know. Okay, plus here b into a, which is nothing but equal to ba, or we can write ab, plus into plus will be plus, b into b, it will become b square. So if you observe carefully, what is the coefficient of this? It is 1. What is the coefficient of this? It is 1. So if you are going to add them, you will get right hand side answer. Am I right? So this is the proof related to first identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. I hope you have understood first formula related to algebraic identity 1. Similarly, will you able to find out the proof for the second identities? Definitely yes. How you are going to find? Let's consider second identity. Okay, what is that? A minus b whole square is equal to, how you are going to represent? A minus b into a minus b. What would be the next step? We need to consider each and every term from the first bracket and we need to multiply with second bracket. So how you are going to represent first term into second bracket? Then what is left out? What is remaining? Minus b into a minus b. If you are going to open that bracket, a into a will be a square, plus into minus will be minus, a into b is ab, minus ab, minus into minus will be plus b square. So if you are going to add them, as I told you, what is the coefficient over here? It is 1. What is the coefficient over here? It is 1. So if you are going to club them, you will be getting a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I hope you have understood how to get second right hand side for second identity. So already we have covered two important identities, that is a plus b whole square, which is nothing but equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. How we are going to find out a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So already we have covered the proof related to first two identities. Now coming to the third identity, what is given? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. In this case, we have to consider the right hand side part to find out left hand side. Okay. So if I consider a plus b into a minus b. So as I said, you need to perform the multiplication between the two brackets. So you will be getting a into a minus b. This is the representation. Okay. So b into a minus b. So if you are going to multiply a into a, you will get a square minus a into b will be ab plus b into a will be, you can write ab minus b square. This is minus 1ab, this is plus 1ab. This will get cancelled. What you will get? A square minus b square. So I hope you have understood how to find out left hand side is equal to right hand side. In next lecture, we'll solve few problems based on first three identities. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep learning, keep smiling. See you in the next video. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Good day.